Hello everyone, my name is Dr. Varnaka. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, we will learn how to practice Katichakrasana. This asana is good to improve flexibility of your spine and also good for your neck and shoulders. To practice, from standing sthiti, separate your legs shoulder width apart. Inhale and raise both the arms to shoulder level. Now place your left hand on your right shoulder and right hand near your waist. Exhale and come back to center. Release. We'll practice the same on the opposite side. Turn to the left, placing your right hand on your left shoulder, left hand around your waist. Exhale and release your hands and relax. If you found this video useful, like, comment, share, and make sure you subscribe to my channel.